Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered, where exactly are we in this vast cosmos? Let's start with our immediate cosmic neighborhood, the solar system. This is where our home planet, Earth, resides, along with 7 other fascinating planets. The Sun, a glowing sphere of hot gases, serves as the gravitational center of this system, keeping all planets in their respective orbits. But it's not just about the Sun and the planets. Our solar system is a bustling neighborhood teeming with a myriad of celestial objects. There are moons, the loyal companions of planets, asteroids, the rocky remnants from the early solar system, and comets, the icy wanderers that put up a spectacular show when they approach the Sun. This cosmic neighborhood of ours, the solar system, is our first address in the universe. It's where our story begins in the grand cosmic scheme of things. So in the cosmic scheme of things, our first address is within the solar system. Now, let's zoom out a bit. Our solar system is part of a much larger structure, the Milky Way Galaxy. This magnificent barred spiral galaxy, with a diameter stretching approximately 100,000 light-years, is our celestial home. Picture this. A flat, swirling disk of stars, gas and dust with a bulging center and sweeping spiral arms that curl around the core. This is the Milky Way. It's a bustling metropolis of stellar activity with an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars twinkling within its borders. Our solar system resides in one of these spiral arms, specifically known as the Orion Arm or Local Spur. It's a minor arm, located between 2 major arms, the Sagittarius Arm and the Perseus Arm. We're comfortably nestled approximately 27,000 light-years away from the galactic center, and at the heart of our galaxy, shrouded by interstellar dust and gas, lies a supermassive black hole. This cosmic behemoth, millions of times the mass of our Sun, presides over the galaxy's core, its immense gravitational pull influencing the orbits of stars in its vicinity. So as we gaze up at the night sky, remember that we are peering into our own galactic neighborhood, a small corner of the grand tapestry of the cosmos. Every star, every planet, every celestial body we see is part of this vast, spiraling galaxy we call home. Therefore, our next cosmic address is within the Milky Way Galaxy. But the Milky Way is not alone. It's part of a larger assembly of galaxies known as the Local Group. Now, this isn't a social gathering in the conventional sense, but a cosmic one. The Local Group is a cluster of approximately 54 galaxies, all bound together by the force of gravity. Among these celestial companions, the Andromeda Galaxy, also known as M31, and the Triangulum Galaxy, or M33, are noteworthy. These galaxies, along with the Milky Way, are the major players in our Local Group, with Andromeda being the largest. These galaxies, despite their vast distances from one another, are not solitary travelers. They move through the cosmos in unison, like a choreographed cosmic ballet, held together by the invisible strings of gravity. This interconnectedness on such a grand scale is a humbling reminder of the vastness of the universe and our place within it. So, our cosmic journey takes us from our solar system through the Milky Way to the Local Group. But there's more. The Local Group is part of an even larger structure, the Virgo supercluster. Now let's venture deeper into the cosmos, shall we? The Virgo supercluster, our next stop, is a behemoth, a gargantuan cosmic structure that makes our Local Group look like a tiny speck. Imagine thousands of galaxies, each one teeming with billions of stars, all woven together by the invisible threads of gravity. That's the Virgo supercluster for you. It's a colossal tapestry of galaxies that stretches over a staggering 110 million light-years in diameter. It's a celestial metropolis, home to countless worlds, stars, and possibly life forms. Among these thousands of galaxies, we find our Milky Way, along with our neighboring Andromeda Galaxy. They're like 2 grains of sand in an astronomical desert, so vast and expansive that our human minds struggle to comprehend it. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? Within the Virgo supercluster, galaxies are not randomly strewn about. They're organized into clusters and groups like our Local Group, all interconnected in a grand cosmic network. It's like a city of galaxies, each with its neighborhoods and communities. So let's update our cosmic address, shall we? We're not just from Earth in the solar system within the Orion Arm of the Milky Way, part of the Local Group. We're also denizens of the Virgo supercluster, a grand celestial city spanning millions of light-years across the cosmos. Thus, our cosmic address now extends to the Virgo supercluster. Finally, let's take the grandest view possible. Our Virgo supercluster is part of the observable universe. Our universe, the entirety of space, time, and all its contents, is an awe-inspiring expanse that's estimated to span around 93 billion light-years in diameter. This vast cosmos holds everything we can observe from our vantage point here on Earth. Just imagine, if our solar system were a grain of sand, the observable universe would still be larger than the Sahara Desert. It's a humbling comparison that underscores our smallness in the cosmic scale. Yet, despite our seemingly insignificant size, we are a part of this grand universe. We're woven into the very fabric of its existence. Every atom in our bodies was once a part of the cosmos, and to the cosmos it will return. So, in the grand scheme of things, we are just a tiny speck in the vast observable universe. So, what does this all mean? Well, it all comes down to perspective. We reside on a planet within the solar system, a tiny part of the Milky Way Galaxy. This galaxy is just one of many in the Local Group. The Local Group, in turn, forms a small fraction of the Virgo supercluster. Beyond this, there's the observable universe, a realm so vast it's difficult to comprehend. Our existence in the grand scheme of things might seem minute, but it's the quest to understand our place in the cosmos that truly matters. It's this curiosity that has led us to uncover the intricate structure of the universe, from our home planet to the farthest reaches of space. So while we may be just a tiny speck within the vast expanse, our thirst for knowledge and understanding connects us to the wider cosmos in a truly remarkable way. Remember, no matter how insignificant we may seem in the grand cosmos, our search for understanding our place in it makes us a significant part of this vast universe.